Are you going to apply for your visa to the Schengen area or to UK? And you're looking for where you can book your accommodation. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you guys this website where you can book your accommodation without paying for your visa application. If today is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome. Please do all to subscribe, like this video, share this important information that I'm going to share in this video to your friends and family. If you want me to help you with your visa application, just check the description of this video or check the shop which is linked to this YouTube account. When it comes to comprehensive visa application assistance, document preparation, visa application guidelines, you can count on Say I Consult. Just check our website and see the testimonies from the people that we have been helping to get their visas, to get job opportunities abroad. Now, without wasting much of your time, today's video is on how you can book your accommodation without paying, or how you can reserve your accommodation for your visa application. So this is the website that we are going to use today. Now, today we are using booking.com. So just go to your browser and search booking.com. All right. The moment that you search booking.com, now this is the interface that you are going to get. Now, where are you going to stay? All right. So we have a search bar here. You can type the place that you are going, the location that you are going, or the country that you are going, the location where you want to stay. So, for instance, let's say I want to stay in London. I'm moving to United Kingdom and I want to be in London. So, I'm looking for accommodation in London. So, just tap here. Then you need to indicate the dates that you are going to arrive in London. So as you can see here, the date is Thursday, February 2026. And then where I am going to check out from that accommodation that I'm going to select, then I'll check out on the 10th of February 2026. Now, how many adults are you going with? I am the only person going. So if you're going with your family, you just have to indicate the number. So I'm the only person. So one adult, no children, and then I need only one room. So what you have to do is that you just have to hit on search and you're going to get hotels and then the guest house and other accommodation available. So let's hit on search. Now the moment you hit on search, this is what you see. You see that it will be reading. Now these are the accommodations available in London. All these are in London. Now the first one is, and as you can see, free cancellation, no payment needed. Pay at the property. So if you decide to go to this one, you're not going to pay anything, nothing. You only pay when you get your visa and you move to this country. Okay. Now, per for the 6 nights price for the 5 nights. If you're going to spend 5 nights, this is the amount that you are going to pay. So it keep on moving and moving. So what you have to do is that you just go through them and then you look for the one that you can what afford, the one that you can afford. So let's say this is what I want to I want. Okay, so this is 5 nights, and you are going to pay $455. So if I want to go with this one, I'll tap in there, and then it is going to open. This is where it is going to open. This is the name of the accommodation that I've selected. Okay, this is where it can be found, and then you can see their ratings. Okay, now the moment you get here, just scroll down where you are checking in fee and where you are checking out 10 February. Okay, so this is how it is. Reserve for 5 days. So I'm going to reserve this for 5 days. So let's go down here and then flexible. You have price for two adults, price for two what adults. As you can see here, two single rooms. But I am looking for only one adult. Price for one adult. I am only one person. So this is the price for me, which is $529 for the 5 nights. So if I want to go with this, just select, and then what I'll go is that move to the next stage. I'll move to the next stage. So you are almost done. Okay. So if I watch the video up to this point, kindly subscribe, like, and share. Now, if you scroll down, this is what you need: the address of the hotel, the details of the hotel. Then I need to fill this. Okay. these are the information that I need to provide. Now, after providing this information, then I'll get my full receipt, okay, or might get my full seat, or yes, after providing all this info. So let me do it for you. Provide your first name and then your last name. Provide your email address. So I'll enter my email address here. Then you confirm your email address. You confirm your email address, and then you keep on going. You select your country of origin. You select your phone number, and then um, to verify your booking and for the property to connect if needed. Okay. Yes, I like free paperless confirmation recommended. Okay. Free. Then are you traveling for week or optional? Here optional, you can decide to answer or not. Then no payment needed now. You pay at the property. Have you seen it? So I'm going to pay. If you get your visa and you move to UK, that is where you are going to pay. Okay. Now add to your stay. If there is anything that you want to add, then you can book it. If you want interest in renting a car, you can add to it. Want to book a taxi or shuffle, so you can book all this. You can add all these things to your court. Then you move on, quote an extra best. If you want any extra information here, you add it to the special request. If there is any special request that you want, you add it here. Your arrival time, so this is where you say your room will be ready for check-in at 15 GMT. Okay, 24 hours from desk. Okay, so add your estimated arrival time. So you add when are you do you want to arrive? Okay, so you just add any estimated arrival time, and then you hit on to final step. Then you hit on this one, then it will move you to the next stage. So whilst we are waiting, kindly give me thumbs up. Okay, so this is the final step, almost done, Isaac. We just need a few more details to confirm your booking. So you need to confirm our booking. Just scroll down here, and then you need to provide your details, to fill in your card details. Okay, fill in your card details, and then you complete your booking. You complete your booking. Here you need to fill your card details, and then you complete your booking. It is very easy to book it. So you just have to make sure that you look for the ones, the booking conditions, no payment needed, book pay at the property. So you don't have to pay any amount. So you come here and then you enter your card details, and then after that you hit on complete, and you're able to get your details to complete your visa application. So this is how you can get your accommodation online without paying. Thank you for watching the video up to this point, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.